Hi, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Rossi, and I'm so glad you're tuning in to the structure and function of plants review. I want you to know that the structure of a plant is the parts, and the function is how those parts are helpful to the plant. So I'm going to quick review you, and then I want you to share your knowledge with all of us as well. So I want to remind you about the roots. So the roots are important because they find and take in water and minerals that a plant needs to live and grow, and they also hold the plant down in place. I'm going to zoom up to the stem. I want you to think about the stem like a straw because it's going to carry water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, and stems also hold the leaves and flowers up in the air so that they can receive sunlight. Another important part of the plant, a very important part, are the leaves. And the function of the leaves is basically like the food making factory of that plant. So the leaves help to make food for a plant to live and grow. And many of you know that important word, that food making process is called photosynthesis. Leaves are filled with chlorophyll, and that's what makes them green. And that helps turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and sugar. Through that process of photosynthesis, the plant will then use that sugar as energy. What's really cool about the leaves as well is they have stomata, which are these teeny tiny little openings that are going to allow carbon dioxide in and oxygen out. And another part I want you to think about is the flowers. And so the flowers' function is to hold the parts of the plants that reproduce. To make more plants, and the scent will attract pollinators, and once that plant is pollinated, then we're going to be able to the plant will be able to develop seeds again in order to reproduce again. So it has to smell really good and be brightly colored for pollinators like butterflies and bees and birds, and sometimes even the wind can act as a pollinator. All right, and our very last one to take a look at for a moment are seeds. So the seeds are what make new plants, and different kinds of seeds can be found in different types of plants. So for example, seeds can be found in flowers like sunflower seeds, in fruits like the seeds in an apple. On the ground, we can find seeds from trees like acorns come from oak trees, and even a pine cone from an evergreen, a pine cone, are seeds as well. And so again, seeds are what will help that plant reproduce and continue to grow. I want you to film your video. I want you to look at all the plants around you and share your knowledge with others. Bye guys.